Ugh. Hey, you know what?
What?
This sucks. Let's do something more interesting. Hey guys, so for this video, I challenged Keegan to make a snowball throwing machine that could beat me in a snow fight.
In one day.
And under $20.
Yep, let's do this.
Hey guys, so for this challenge, I was initially kind of stuck because I know whatever Keegan's gonna build is gonna be really over-engineered, have a lot of moving parts, and be super effective probably anyway. But I didn't really have an answer to that myself. I was thinking of a bunch of different ideas, but none of them really worked within the constraints of the contest. So I decided to go simple, much simpler, like 20,000 BC hunting technology simple. An atlatl is an ancient piece of technology that involves using a lever to throw a spear or dart much faster than a normal human could. It's been around forever, almost since the Middle Paleolithic, which is over 30,000 years ago. Atlatls use the power of levers to work. You can see in this little drawing, if you just throw something with your arm, you have about 1 meter of distance in which to accelerate the dart. But if you add the atlatl, you're adding a lot more distance with which to accelerate, which means the dart's going to go a lot faster. Modern machines that use this include those tennis ball throwers that you can use to throw tennis balls for your dog. So that's how an atlatl and levers in general work. But for my project, I wanted to do something that was not only unique, but was hopefully under $5. So for my idea, I'm going to use this length of 5 foot 1/2 inch PVC pipe to be its own sort of lever. And for this, I'm going to have my hand act as a fulcrum of the lever as opposed to my elbow, and have my other hand here to be the power. What I'm hoping for is this will really get me good leverage to fling the snowball super far because of the flexibility and how much energy I can store in this PVC. So I'm going to do a little bit of work on that, and I'll check back in with you guys.
Alright, so guys, I know Joe is working on his project right now, so I'm sitting at my desk trying to figure out what I'm going to do. Now, I think I came up with what I want to do, and originally I was kind of going for a huge trebuchet, which would be really cool, but I just don't think I have enough time to do that well. So I think I'm going to do a crossbow. As you can see, I've been looking at pictures of them on my computer and kind of drawing it out in CAD, how I'm going to do it. I think I'm going to just use a crossbow frame, or make one, and then use elastic bands to fire a snowball. The one thing I'm trying to figure out right now is the trigger mechanism, and I know I can do it, I just don't know if I have enough time to really get it to work well. So we'll see.
Alright, so since the last time you saw, this pipe was straight, and what I did is I used a blowtorch outside in good ventilation, and I bended this. The reason I did that is because if I hold it like this, if I'm going to throw the snowball this way, I can keep the same angle, but my hand has more distance to lever, as opposed to if it was down here, which would give me less power. So what I'm thinking of doing for the head is curving it and making a thrower like they do for the game Jai, which is technically the fastest anyone has ever thrown a ball by hand. So I think it'll be a great addition to the snowball launcher. Alright, so this is the finished product. As you can see, I took the curve and I put a couple pieces of cardboard and just duct taped it all together. And I'm hoping it works pretty well. It's pretty fearsome looking, and it's a lot cooler than I originally intended.
Okay guys, so this is what I came up with. It's kind of a sling bow. So just cock it back, put the snowball in, and let it go. You can have a little lock key so that it's ready to go when you want. Let's do this.
Alright, so this is my snow flinging device. I made it out of PVC pipe and duct tape and a bit of cardboard. I think the major upside to mine is that it can be fired really fast. I can obviously be more accurate. It can also just pick up a scoop of snow and fling that. That's my entry.
Alright, so mine, I think personally, is definitely cooler looking than Joe's, but not quite as practical at all. It takes a long time to load. You have to bring this back, cock it, and then lock it like that, but it may throw farther, so let's see. Alright guys, so I'm going to do a little test of mine. In 3, 2, 1. Not bad, pretty good distance, pretty good accuracy, but still takes a long time.
Thank you guys for watching. I hope you liked our builds. In the end, we decided that mine was a bit more practical to use, but Keegan's definitely looked a lot cooler, and the idea was really awesome. So please, if you liked the video, leave a comment, rating, and subscribe for more videos. Thanks, guys. Oh.